Hi everyone, it's Sayuri here. I teach Japanese here on italki.com. Today I will be talking about 3 ways to make Japanese friends online. If you are looking for Japanese friends on italki, how do you approach them? You might have a send message like, "Hi, how are you? I want to study Japanese," something like that. To be honest, it doesn't work. I will give you 3 tips. Number 1, take a nice photo. Of course, it is online. If you don't show your face or character in your picture, people become suspicious very easily. So, smile, hi, cheese. Number 2, write a self-introduction Japanese and English. Many Japanese people are eager to learn English. So, if you are looking for Japanese friends, you'd better to write both languages. Number 3, be interested in that person. I think that is most important. If you find a profile introduction like I like reading, cooking, exercising, and traveling, and if you like those activities, you can send them message 私も something が好きです which means I like something too. Plus, if you're into cooking, you can ask どんな料理を作るのが好きですか? What kind of food do you like to cook? どんな本を読むのが好きですか? What kind of book do you like to read? どんな運動をするのが好きですか? What kind of exercise do you like to do? 次はどこに旅行したいですか? Where would you like to travel next? If you're not sure how to say those words in Japanese, go to italki community and write that notebook entry. Most likely, Japanese speaker will help you. Also, it is a great opportunity to interact with new people there. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe italki YouTube channel for more tips learning Japanese. Take a lesson with me at italki.com by clicking on my profile picture in the description. Thank you. Bye.